What's up, you guys? I'm back with an update on my funded account. I had two in the last video. I lost one and I retained one. Um, Last week was a bad week for me. Uh, started to bounce back this week. My account is at 490. And what I have learned from this bad week, you guys, is just take my time. There's no setup, don't trade. Of course, these are things that I know. Um, I really can't describe it. I just have to get a handle and stay disciplined and consistent and really realize that good trading is boring. You look for the same thing, you wait for the same thing, you see it, you execute, you take the trade, and you follow your rules. If you wait for your setup and follow your rules and you take that trade and it goes against you, that doesn't mean you were wrong. That trade just did not work out. And following your rules, however many max limit trades you set for the day, follow it. And what I have really started utilizing last week is this lockout button. Once I get my profit and once I hit my loss, I have it set up automatically sometimes, but I keep it off because I don't want to have a cap on profit. So if I'm in a trade and it gets above 600, 700, I'll just put my stop loss at 700, let the trade continue to run and move it up. And so the trade I took for this past Friday, yesterday, it was on the 15-second chart. Price respected my lines, the levels I made, and I got in right here on this engulfing candle on the 15-second. Once it broke above this level. No, this is not it. Where it's at? Somewhere back here. I don't think this is it. That's the only thing about these 15-second candles. This looks like 5 weeks, bro, of price action. It's really not. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, that's why I'm on NQ. I traded my funded on the micros, and I traded my eval on the mini. So let me find it. My bad, you guys. Wasting time. Here it goes, right here. All right, so I got in right here. Just after market open, we rejected, bounced right up, and it's crazy, guys. It bounced off my line, bro. These are the lines I made pre-market. Bounced right off, bro. Created a demand zone. You see, price came back down to the demand zone and took back off. Crazy. But anyway, I was done right here. I got in, and I didn't break my rules, but my signature marker to get in a trade above a breaking a level is this right here. This pattern. Basing candle, engulfing candle. I look for 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's what gives me conviction to enter in. Right here, I didn't, because initially at market open, we just completely just flushed and it was volatile. So I didn't trust the wiki moves. But after we continued up right here, I entered in right here and I sold. I don't think it was there. I sold for 100, 100 or so ticks around here. I sold right there, and after I did that, you guys, I locked my account out. As you can see, my daily loss limit is 400. So I risk about 250 per trade to make 250 or 500. With this 50K Express account, I'm just trying to be picky, try not to be really greedy with my trades. I can be up 400 in seconds, and I keep my stop loss at my initial entry. So my stop loss is negative 250, and I keep it there, and the trade can come all the way back down against me. I don't move it to break even. It just comes right back down to my full stop loss. So I'm working on not being greedy, working on taking profit and having that mindset. If somebody right now, if I open my front door, check my mailbox, if somebody riding around was drive by and say, hey, I just want to come give you this 250, I would take it. So when I'm up 250 or 400 in the market, even when the trade has already hit my TP, just go ahead and take profit. or have my stop loss at the take profit or at the level where my TP is and move the original TP higher just in case we get a continuation like we did here. I got in right here. It went up. It came back down. Right here, I was like, I should have took profit. But it bounced back up and it went past my initial TP and we even broke the second level. So I'm just learning to really follow my rules consistently so I can be consistent. Success, to get successful and to obtain that success, it's going to be brought to me by discipline, not by the money. Every time I blow my account, I start focusing on the money and not the discipline. So, and the 500, I saw Top Step. Man, I don't know. I might do it though, you guys. 500 though for to get my funded account back. Still can do it. It's 500 though, and I've been going back and forth with this one account. Do I want to spend 500, bro? 500, bro. 500. So I've been going back and forth with that. I blew it on the 22nd. So that'll be something I had to be praying about. I want to, but I don't want to do it in the intention and mindset of rushing just to start back trading and then blow it. So I have till Tuesday to do it. So that'll be something I will have to continue to pray and think about. Do I want to pay 500 to restore my funded account? Meanwhile, I bought 150K eval just to give myself some extra room to have multiple accounts, and I'm actively trading 3 other 50Ks. So depending on how these go, will be I'll probably have 2 more 50Ks added, and once I pass these and have my 150, so I can copy trade the 50Ks all together and just aim for 250 a day. Have that's $1,000 a day, easy. And of course, we know if the trade continues to run, I can make more across 4 accounts. Then I'll have that 150K by itself as a funded. Because with Top Step, you have to trade the same type of account in order to copy trade. I can't copy trade a 50, 150 and a 100K. They won't let me link it up. So that's the idea, and that's the goal for Top Step. So next week is coming up. Hopefully we'll have a good week with discipline, using wisdom, and trying to be consistent following our rules. So again, got the account back to positive 490. And yeah, you guys, hope y'all have a good day. Hope you keep trading, keep learning, keep growing. And yeah, man, have a good one.